Hello and welcome to Fanpage Competitions Contest Systems. Now I'm going to go through and show you just how quick and easy it is to go through and set up and create a competition. Now what we need to do is up the top here it says create new sweepstakes, and then it will open up the campaign details area. Now you'll see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little tabs to go through. And each of them you need to add in some information. So you add in the name of your competition, and we're going to call this one a test page. Type in the name of your page, Fanpage Competitions. How many people can enter? Is there going to be a share reward? How many people can win? Is there a game? Now I'm not going to go through, but on our Platinum program here, you can implement a game. So what that means is that you can actually go through and play hangman or pairs prior to people entering into your competition. So check here, yes, they must be a fan. You can of course go through and update that image to make it applicable to your business, and when you're finished you simply click on update. Now it's 3:43 here, so I want to show you how quick and easy it is to create this. Over to our timeline, we would set the time when your competition is going to start, and today is the 4th. I could set that for the 5th, and I can set that a week later to default on the 12th, and I would set my time. Now I'm in Australia, and I'm going to scoot on down here to AUST and Brisbane, and that will put me 10 hours ahead. I can edit my thank you, but at this point I won't. I'm just simply going to go through and update. On to step number 3, the contest builder. Now this is where most people struggle and have so much problems. Now in here you'll notice that we have the stock standard layout. This is a very boring layout. The reason being is we want you to be creative. We want you to come through and edit the title or edit the draw date or add in your own caption. Now it's as easy as this. If you click here, you'll notice that the properties down the bottom change, and we have what's called a library, and you can go into our library and you can have a look at all of the images that are in here, for instance, and you can choose any one of these, or you can go through and add your own by coming over here to local and uploading your own images, etc. So that is how easy it is to go through and use this. If you want to change the name of this, you simply select this and you come over here and you can change the font, you can change it bold, you can scroll down here to text and change the color, and of course if you want to change the words, I'm just going to type in here, I am changing this. Now to make it bigger, you click and drag this out, and you grab these little handles over here and you pick it up and move it around. This is an entire drag and drop system that is very easy to use. Just pick up, drag and drop, and then you'll notice the properties section changes. Now if that's all too difficult for you, we do have in here templates, and you can go through and you can choose the particular template that you wish to be using, and we might use this corporate one here and go select, and you'll notice now that it actually comes through and it's added all of that wonderful information onto our canvas here, and all we need to do is go through and add in the details about our competition. Now of course if you don't like any parts of this or you want to change these elements, it's very easy. You can simply, if we don't want to have this, enter here. By clicking on it we can come over here and delete it, or we could come over to the library and add another image. It's as easy as that. So once you finish working on your layout, you simply update, and then we can go through and we can preview, and you can see here you might say, oh no, I forgot to do that, and you can go back and edit it and move forward. Next step is to come through and create your rules and your privacy policy, and there's a whole module in the training. We have 8 modules in the training, and there's an entire module based around the rules and the privacy policies of what you should have. Now our last step here is publish, and you can come through here and you can change the image that you wish to have out there that is published, and you can add in a nice description, and the last step is simply to come through and click to accept and publish it through to your Facebook page. So that has taken me an entire 3 minutes to go through. Now I know it's going to take you slightly longer, and the reason I know it's going to take you longer is because you will sit there and think about it. So one of the main things to do with a competition is have a plan, know exactly what you're doing, what your prize is going to be, and who you're targeting, and then go through in terms of the contest builder and lay it out accordingly. So there is a quick overview of our contest system. It is super easy to use. We've tried to go through and make sure that we've got lots of things in there so that when you come, it's only a matter of going click, 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 and in 3 steps you basically got it created and you are ready to publish. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you soon in Facebook.